Hey there. I thought I'd take and be a artist for a moment. Not really like really super deep artists like, using pencils and paper and all that. More so using Creativefabrica Spark Sketch or Creativefabrica Spark AI. More importantly, that's what we need to call this because Creative Spark is an AI generator of different types of things being creative based on using prompts. As you can see, I have created a couple just using this prompt dot to dot of Easter Bunny. But I thought maybe we would, go through and see what else we could create using this type of AI program, like I said, Creative Spark. So I'm using the sketch. If you go over here, you can use art, patterns, crystalline, I think it is, and then image mix. So let's check out the art real quick and see what that has. Oh, yep, this is the one that I wanted to show you. Just kind of really quick. You can create coloring pages using this AI, Creative Spark Art. So let's go ahead and do that. I'm just going to write a simple prompt like Great Lakes Lighthouse on a calm day of sunshine. And let's go ahead and hit ignite. I think I gave a pretty good prompt. It's going to go ahead and generate this. And then what we're going to do is we're going to see what happens. See, it created these little images for me. And yeah, these kind of look like Michigan lighthouses. I recognize them a little bit. So I'm going to go ahead and hit the coloring page and see what happens here. And then see, I got the coloring page highlighted. I'm going to hit ignite. And let's see, we have generating some images. So I could use these type of images here, for, any type of artwork, maybe making cards or, a book cover or anything of that sort. But this is what's really cool. Look at this. I love this. This is what Creative Spark had created for me using the prompt and then using the coloring page feature category. I'm not sure what to call that, but yeah, this is pretty cool. So I'm going to go ahead and hit publish, and this is going to go ahead and publish that to my account. I'm not too crazy about these ones here because, it's really not like line art coloring. And as you can see, it creates, when you have the prompt, like I use the prompt Great Lakes Lighthouse as a or on a calm day with lots of sunshine. It put a comma, coloring page black and white. Okay. Um, I think that's what, it was working off of in the prompt there. And then it created, four different items, but the one that I liked the most, which was the actual coloring page. I guess these could be coloring pages for like coloring pencils, if you wanted to add different highlights to it because they are black and white, just like the prompt said. But as I said, I really like that other one. That's what I was looking for and wanting to go to. So I'm going to go ahead and hit open, and then that's going to show up in my account where I can download this. Yeah, I mean, it's got some wonkiness to it, but for the most part, I'm pretty happy with it. Of course, I would always love your opinion and your thoughts. So I'm going to go ahead and download this and see what that looks like. Oh, yep, I created that. And I'm going to go ahead and open my Canva account. And we're just going to go ahead and drag and drop that image on the page here. And then, of course, we could, cut some of this off, size it up a little bit. This is a 1-to-1 ratio. So, we could scale it down, we could scale it up, that type of thing. Pretty cool. Pretty cool. I really like it. I'm pretty happy with it. Again, if you have the chance and you have a Creative Fabrica account, give Creative Fabrica Spark a try. You might be, curious to know what can what can be created just by putting in some different prompts for art. I mean, here on the left hand side, they have a prompt book or prompt builder. We can go ahead and click on prompt builder. We could create different types of images using the different prompts. Like, so if we used like drawing, and what was the one I seen here, carving, ink or pencil. I kind of like the pencil myself. You can do color, different contrasts, different cameras, all kinds of stuff. And then I'm going to go back to the menu here and go to Spark and see what we have. We can browse the art. Okay, check that out, see what that looks like. And this is different images that others have created, using Creativefabrica Spark AI. Pretty neat, pretty nifty. Anyways, like I said, I thought I would give you, a brief overview using Creativefabrica Spark. If you have a Creativefabrica account, give it a try. I hope you do, and let me know how it works out. Until next time, I look forward to speaking to you again very soon.